Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and tip Instacart shopper? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, some things from Instacart I would like to make clear is that 100% of your tip goes directly to the shoppers shopping and delivering your order. If two shoppers fulfill your order, the tip splits eventually between them. And Instacart suggests a default tip based on several factors such as order attributes and your tip history, and they suggest a default tip during bad weather as well. So that is about it. You can also go ahead and increase your tip up to 14 days after delivery or reduce your tip up to 2 hours after delivery. So that is about it. Now, in order for you to go ahead and tip them, all you need to do is on the website, you need to go to the delivery tip on the right hand side of the checkout screen and select a given tip amount or click other to enter your own. Or in your app, what you want to do is simply go ahead and scroll down to the delivery tip section on the checkout screen and select the amount you'd like to tip or select other to enter your own. Now, in order for you to go ahead and modify a tip after delivery on website, what you can do is click on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner, click on your orders and click on increase or change in the tip field. And in app, what you can do is tap the account icon in the upper right hand corner, tap orders, select the relevant order and tap increase next to increase tip. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.